Tracfone call issues often stem from three key reasons: VoLTE problems, call bearing, and network connectivity. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, is how modern calls are made over 4G LTE networks using packet switch technology for better quality. If VoLTE is disabled or misconfigured on your Tracfone device, calls can fail or sound poor, often reverting to older 2G or 3G networks. This happens with incompatible devices or wrong APN settings like Tracfone for Verizon. Call bearing is a network-level restriction that blocks calls to manage fraud, billing, or parental controls. On Tracfone, it's commonly triggered by low balance or unpaid bills, affecting prepaid users. You can manage it with USSD commands like 35SHAP, but full resets may require carrier help. Finally, network connectivity problems, particularly in rural areas or during transitions to 5G NSA networks, can cause call failures. Tracfone relies on Verizon and AT&T networks where LTE coverage varies, leading to drops. Firmware updates on devices like Samsung Galaxy A series can improve this, but spotty signals remain an issue. Understanding these three areas, VoLTE problems, call bearing, and network connectivity, is the first step to fixing the problem. First, ensure VoLTE is enabled in your phone's settings. This is usually found under mobile network or cellular data options on your device. Next, check your Tracfone account balance to rule out call bearing due to insufficient funds. You can verify this through the Tracfone app or their website. If VoLTE is enabled and your balance is sufficient, perform a network reset. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, General Management, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. If problems continue after these steps, contact Tracfone support. A SIM issue or a barring placed by the carrier might require their intervention.